Hey guys, this is Colby4078 and I'm going to teach you how to port forward with an actiontec mi424 router. So first, you need to make sure you have a static IP address with Windows 7, and it's really simple. You go to this little networking icon right here, right click on your network, go to status, go to properties right here, go to TCP/IP version 4, go to properties, and then make a static IP address. To make a static IP address, the first three numbers have to be the same as your current IP address. If you don't know your current IP address, in a command prompt window, type ipconfig, and then near the top, it'll tell you what your current IP address is, so you can change this last number. And then the subnet mask should autofill, and then your default gateway will be your router's IP address. Your DNS server will most likely also be your router's IP address, and then if you want, you can put an alternate one. So that's all you need for that. If you're using Windows XP or an older operating system, go to your control panel, and then I believe in Windows XP it's just called network connections, but basically you open that up, go to your network, get to the same thing, go to properties, and it's pretty much the same. I'm sure you can figure it out. Okay, so then you open up your browser, go to 192.168.1.1, and that'll be your router, or it should be your router by default. And then log in, go to your firewall settings, there's a warning that pops up, go to port forwarding, choose your computer, choose custom ports. For web server, the default is port 80 unless you're using HTTPS, which is 443, and a Minecraft server is port 25565. So whatever port you needed use, just add, and then it'll be on this list here. If you don't know what your external IP address is to test if it works from an external source, you can go to showmyip.com and it'll show you what your IP address is. And if you're using a web server, then you should be able to get to your website with that. Okay, that's pretty much it. Really simple.